think, act, and prosper. You are now tuned into the Money Level Show.
So what are you getting from, so we had this thing happen with Evergrande. The Chinese equities are getting killed. I mean, Alibaba, at around $210, I was kind of in it, and I was like, okay, this is a good, price target for it or whatnot. Now it hit 149 yesterday. I went and bought some more, and then I've been in Tencent and a few other companies. What's your sentiment on the Chinese equities right now?
So I'm definitely in the camp where you are, which is this is likely a buying opportunity. What we have to kind of be accepting of is that the markets don't know where the regulation is going to stop. Now, any way you cut it, a stock like Alibaba, a company like Alibaba with 1.5 billion people that could be consumers on their platform, they have so much upside potential that, again, you have to be looking to accumulate. But at the same time, we have to be recognizing that, like you said, you start at 200 and you pick up a little bit more at 150. And then I would say do the same thing. If by chance it goes down to 100, you just got to be ready to buy small positions and say, okay, what's the long-term outlook for China? And China, again, has so many people, so many potential consumers that a stock like Alibaba should do really, really well. So I'm in your camp. I'm long Alibaba. I'm long a bunch of these other Chinese stocks today. I actually took profits on one of them. I had BEKE, which had a nice pop the last few days. I'll show my chart here. So this one's just another one. This is a real estate kind of company, and it had a nice bounce. It doesn't look like much of a bounce, but I was able to net over 11% on the stock. So, again, if you look at this chart, it looks like the tiniest of bounces, but from where we bought, it was a nice 11% gain. But again, if you go to Alibaba, you can see that the downtrend in this has just been tremendous. And this is a rival that eventually will overtake Amazon, right? Amazon is big, Amazon is great, but this company, I think, will overtake Amazon as a bigger player at some point in terms of market cap. So I like where you're going with this. I think being a buyer of the Chinese stocks, as long as you're slowly inching in, is the right thing to do. And then also just be ready for the volatility. At any point we could see big bounces in these names and bottoms where they could go up 50 to 100%, or they could go down another 10, 20% as well.
Yeah, definitely. So I've been definitely accumulating. I'm more of the long-term investor, and it's outside of options or whatnot, but there has been some short-term plays like the uranium sector. I don't expect like that to be, forever investment, but I definitely agree with the Chinese equities of being a good buy opportunity and to, inch your money in little by little or whatnot.